Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to my channel. Today we want to get this data here from the URL using JavaScript. I had this problem a while ago and I didn't know. I used it long time ago, and now I'm gonna share with you guys this way to do that. Let's do it. We need to first create a query string. We're gonna assign it with window location search. That's gonna give us the search. Gonna search for the queries. So everything that's coming after with the interrogation point. Now we have the data we want. We need to work on that. We can have a variable here that we're gonna call param. So in param, we're gonna assign it with this new object in here. We're gonna create an object for that. That's gonna be a new URL search param, and we need to pass query string for that. So now, if we give it enter here, as you can see, we have a size of 2, and we can param access this way, get name. Let's access name and get age. Pretty easy peasy to work with URL search parameters. So very easy to get the data from the parameters. There's other way that I came across that I want to share with you guys. This way is a little bit different. We have our query. Okay, we don't need to create a query. We need to create a Let's create another variable that we're gonna call params. Assign with a object. Now we're gonna take a query string. As you can see, query string in here starts with interrogation. We do a substring 1, we remove it, so we start after that, and then we split with this e. Let's split using e. Oh, not e. And now let's say we have a. I put on the variable a. Now you can see we have name together and age together in only one string. What you can do, I already have a, I can remove it, and then I can run against this array. So let's do that. We're gonna use for each element param. I use a arrow function, and then here will be nice to do this const k and value. I want to generate this k and value for us, and assign each element with one with k. That's gonna take the name of the key, and the other with the value, key value. How can you do that? You're gonna assign now key and value with param dot split point split and then we split with equals. So now we're gonna separate the name, the key here from the value, because they are connected by equals. So we're gonna remove it. We remove it. Now what we want to do is take params key. We're gonna assign this parent key with a value. Right. Now we're gonna call params. As you can see, we have an object with a name and age. Let's access the name and let's access the age. Now we can access param and age in object form. So it's two different ways to fix this problem, two different ways. The first way is so much more easy, but the second way works too. And look, let me know what you think about my new portfolio that I'm building that. I don't have idea. I was thinking I need to make a better layout design. It's responsible. Let's see. Goddamn. Oh my god! I can't do. Ooh, it's nice, huh? I'm rebuilding it. This will be my new portfolio. I like this color with a white background. I just put the first page. I need to create the rest. Let me know what you think about it, and let me know if you like this explanation how to get data from the URL. Let me know, guys. So for now, that's it for now. See you on the next one, guys. Bye bye. Subscribe, please. Subscribe now.